Click the subscribe button and press the bell notification. What's up, guys? Welcome to Annual Boy Hats for you. Yeah, today I'm in the city of Porthacourt and I'll be taking you guys to the tons of phone shops they have in this place. There's so many phone shops everywhere, like houses around this place. We're taking you guys to see those phone shops, and we're gonna ask some questions about the phone shops and brand of phones they sell. Let's get going. This is Porthacourt. First up, we're in the AVIX Mobile. We're gonna ask them questions about the phones they sell and the brands of phones they sell.
I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby.
So what can you tell me about your phone shop?
Well, it's AVIX Mobile. I'm a promoter for Ferros. The customer that just got the Phase 2 Lite comes with 1 gig inbuilt memory. The RAM is 1 gig. The ROM is 16 gig. The battery life is 4,000. Android version is 7.0. And it comes with a screen warranty. So what simply means that any customer that purchases it, the person's screen will be registered for one-time screen replacement. The warranty does not just cover all, it just covers your screen, which no other brand will give. But here in AVIX Mobile, we sell all brands of phone: Techno, Itel, Infinix, Ferros, Samsung, Nokia, anyone, you can get it there.
You've been playing my mind lately, turn it around. Once I thought you were mine, baby, we're safe and sound. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. I follow your heartbeat, keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. Keep on moving to the purpose now.
Hello, so what can you tell me about your phone shop? So tell me the phone brands you sell around this beautiful shop.
Samsung, Huawei, Infinix, Nokia, Android, Vero.
Do you bad, I'm sorry, yo. Give me love way better pass money, yo. Where sweet pass the honey, yo. If I fight, make a fight for the love. If I grace, make a grace for the love. Don't want no complication. This is a situation. If I grace, make a grace for the love. If I fight, I go fight for the love. Don't want no complication. This is a situation. Baby, yo, I want to love you for life. Baby, yo, come make a love.
So guys, what do you think about the journey to Porthacourt and all the phone shops? I had fun talking to some of them and I checked out so many cool brands, phones, Infinix, Techno, Huawei, so many of them. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Annual Boy Hats for you. If you have any thoughts about this video, just comment down. You can follow us on Facebook as Annual Boy Hats for you and on Instagram as Annual Boy 47. Share this video with someone. See you next Thursday. Thank you and God bless you.